Psalm 23 is one of the most beautiful and powerful passages in the entire Bible. For centuries, it has been a source of comfort, strength, and unshakable hope. These words are not just poetry, they are God's promise of love, protection, and guidance. When hearts are broken, this psalm brings peace. When fear surrounds us, it gives courage. And when life feels empty, it restores joy. Today, we will look deeper into Psalm 23 and discover the hidden secrets inside this chapter that can transform the way you see God. 4:0 Don't skip. Friend, Psalm 23 is one of the most loved passages in the entire Bible. We've heard it in church, at funerals, in songs, and even whispered in moments of fear. But today, I want to take you deeper. There's a hidden power inside Psalm 23 that most people overlook. And once you see it, you'll never look at this psalm the same way again. 156, Chapter 1, the Psalm of the Shepherd, Understanding the Context. This psalm was written by David, a shepherd himself before he became king. He knew firsthand the relationship between a shepherd and his sheep. Sheep are vulnerable, helpless, and unable to survive without guidance. By calling God his shepherd, David is showing us that life only makes sense when we depend fully on him. 546, Chapter 2, The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want, the secret of provision. Most people think this means I get whatever I want, but that's not it. It means God provides everything you truly need. It's not about greed, it's about trust. When you have him, you are never in lack. His presence is your provision. 1029, Chapter 3, He makes me lie down in green pastures, the secret of rest. We live in a restless world, running after money, success, and approval. But sheep only rest when they feel safe. God provides rest when we trust his protection. This rest is more than sleep, it's peace in your soul. 1421, Chapter 4, He leads me beside still waters, the secret of peace. Sheep fear rushing water, but still waters refresh them. God doesn't lead you into chaos, but into calm. His Spirit is the living water that brings peace no storm can destroy. 1805, Chapter 5, He restores my soul, the secret of renewal. Sometimes our hearts grow weary, our faith grows weak, and we feel broken. But God restores. He doesn't just patch you up, he makes you whole. His restoration brings back your joy and your strength. 20-44, Chapter 6, He leads me in paths of righteousness, the secret of guidance. We often ask, which way should I go? David shows us that God himself leads the way. Righteousness is not just about morality, it's about walking in his will. He guides step by step, never leaving you lost. 27 minutes and 10 seconds, Chapter 7, Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, the secret of courage. This doesn't say if you walk, but when you walk through dark valleys. Fear will come, but the key word is through. You won't stay there. With God, the shadow cannot harm you. Subscribe a channel.